Welcome back to chapter number 1, Integers. We have already begun with exercise 1.4 of standard 7. We have completed question number 1 and 2. We were solving division related examples in those questions. We have more such questions to go. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Quite simple. Yes, it is 1. Any number divided by 1 only gives you the same number. Next, it has to be 75 because 75 divided by 75 will only give you 1. And what about the sign? One is negative, other is positive, then only the answer will be negative. That is why the blank has positive 75 in it. Yes, it has to be minus 206 because 206 divided by 206 will only give you 1 and minus minus plus 1. Minus 1 has to be there because when you divide by 1 you get the same number and 2 negatives will give you a positive answer. It has to be minus 87 because we are dividing by 1. So the number has to be the same. You cannot change the number. So minus 87 divided by 1 gives you minus 87. Next, it has to be minus 48 because minus sign is also there and 1 is the answer. Here, 20 is to be divided by what to get a 2? It has to be 10. But with a minus sign in it because 1 negative, 1 positive. Then only the answer will be negative. 12 with a minus sign. 12 with a minus sign because 4 3s are 12. We all know that. And that minus sign has to be there. Now question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b equal to minus 3. Now children, this is an open-ended question. Open-ended question means you have a choice to select your answer. There will be multiple answers for the same question. Any two numbers you have to tell me which when divided will give you minus 3 as an answer. Few pairs we have written here, you may have other set of numbers also. 6 divided by minus 2 gives you minus 3. Do the division quickly. 18 divided by minus 6 again minus 3. 15 divided by minus 5 again minus 3. Minus 12 divided by 4. It's not compulsory that second number only will be negative. First number also can be negative. Here again the answer is minus 3. Minus 27 divided by 9 also is minus 3. So you can just have any sort of numbers. One more is taken. That's it. That's all. I mean, from my side, you can have more examples. Question number 5. Oh, that's again temperature related questions. Temperature related questions are always real life questions, right? Now, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0. Think of the situation. 12 noon, the temperature is 10. It's winter, isn't it? Yes. Now consider you to be there on that day, a winter afternoon, noon rather, it's not afternoon, it's now noon. So it's winter noon, 12 o'clock. And the temperature is 10 degrees. The question now, if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, obviously, as evening night approaches, the temperature will fall. That is happening here. So I'm telling you again and again, these are all real life situations which have ample application of mathematics in it. So you can see here, if the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree below zero? We have to check the temperature at what time it will be 8 degree below zero. Below zero means minus 8. Now let's try to understand the example little bit more, then we'll come to the solving part. Here 12 noon, it is 10 degrees Celsius. So 1 p.m. it will be, here it is reducing 2 degree less after 1 hour. So it will be 8 degrees Celsius. 2 p.m. 6 degrees Celsius and so on. This reduction is continuously going on and the temperature reaches minus 8 degree Celsius. We have to find out the time. Let us try. Initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius at noon. Temperature 8 degree below zero actually means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now children, let us find out the temperature difference. It starts from 10 degree above, reaches below zero, that is 8. So from 10 above to 8 less, the total difference in the temperature is 18. You can consider it this way also. In between it is 0 degrees Celsius, above it is 10, below it is minus 8. So the total difference is 10 and 8, that is 18. So actually there is a fall of 18 degree Celsius. Children, in now 1 hour the temperature reduces by 2. So in how much time will it reduce by 18? It will be division of 18 and 2. That is 18 divided by 2 and 9 hours. We started from 12 noon. 9 hours after that it will be 9 p.m. So the temperature at 9 p.m. will be minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay children? Children, there is one more question over there. We have to find out the temperature at midnight also. Total duration from 12 noon to 12 midnight. It is 12 hours, everyone knows. Let us find out the temperature at 12 midnight. Every hour, 1 hour, temperature is decreasing by 2 degrees. So after 12 hours, it will decrease by 24 degrees. But it started from 10, decreased by 24. So the answer will be 10 minus 24. That is 14 degree with a minus sign. That is negative 14, minus 14 degrees Celsius at midnight. So you can understand how cold it is. With this, we come to the end of this video. We are going to deal with more examples in the coming videos. Till then, work hard. Keep practicing. Thank you.